Hey, what's up, y'all? How's it going? We're back at the lake today. We got a beautiful day. Check it out. It's a little bit rainy and cloudy looking, but it's dead calm, no wind, and it's about 75 degrees, which is just incredible for me. I'm not too fond of when it's 100 degrees out here, but anyways, I haven't caught some crappie in a while. I'm hoping to catch a few crappie today. I'd like to eat some, but that's gonna be the goal. I'm gonna swing out here and hit a couple brush piles. I know it's currently middle of June, so they should be stacking up on brush piles. And like I said, I haven't got to catch any in a while. I'm really excited. So weirdly enough, me and my wife came over here a couple days ago, same lake, and it was at regular capacity. And today it's 7 feet high. So I might have trouble catching today. I don't know why it's so high. It didn't rain that I know of. It looks rainy, I know, but it didn't actually rain any that I know of. So I don't know how. It must have rained somewhere up north Oklahoma. I don't know what's the deal. Anyways, we'll try to catch a few crappie and take you along with us, and hopefully we get into them. All right, so I don't really talk about my rig a whole lot. I need to start doing more of it, but it's the same rig I always use. It's a B&M jigging rod, Diamond Series. It's a 12-foot rod. I prefer longer rods so I can reach out there. I got a Zebco Roam push button, and I get roasted for that a lot, but like in my opinion, I have more control on the push button. I can do a lot more stuff with the push button than I can with the spin reel or the open face or anything like that. It's just it's like a little kid setup, I know, but I love it. I've caught a lot of fish on it. And I think most people, if you could disagree with it, that's fine, but a lot of people would like this setup if they crappie fish with it enough and understood, like, just, I don't know how convenient it is. You just flip the button. I have a lot more control. I can cast it where I want. I can just flip it out where I want and do all that stuff, and I don't have to be worrying about flipping the bail back over and all this and that. But anyways, as always, I got the 1/16 ounce. Well, usually it depends on what color, but right now I have the 1/16 ounce white head on with the, I guess it'd be a 1/4 ounce or size 4 right on weight. Usually about a foot above, but it's a little bit lower right now. Anywhere about like that. Well, it's been a long day and I haven't caught a crappie yet. I caught one sand bass. I didn't know it by the time I got over here. I think I kind of talked about it this morning. I got over here and I got to the boat ramp, which I came to like 3 days ago. And the water's over the boat ramp. I had to go to a different boat ramp and I was like, what's going on? I still don't really know what's going on or why, but this lake is up a ton. Anyways, there's a ton of current. This lake's a little bit weird. It's got the main channel that runs through the middle of it, and it's got some off branches of creeks, you know, but most of the lake is the big river channel, and there's just too much current out there where I usually always fish. There's a crazy amount of current, so I've decided to come in some of these little pockets. I can tell now as this little pocket that I'm in, there's no current at all, so I think if I can find some fish, I think I'll catch them over here. So anyways, like I said, the whole point was I moved again, finally. I think moved to a little bit of a smarter spot here, and gonna see what I can get into. Hopefully I can catch a fish. I actually kind of wanted to catch one and cook one. I'm a little bit hungry, so I wish I could get about 3. I would fry some fish on the bank. I don't know if I talked about it yet, but to top it off, I have a messed up transducer. For an hour this morning, I dealt with Garmin on it, and they're going to send me a new transducer. You probably can see, but this cone right here is going out, I believe. It's doing crazy stuff. There we go. Finally caught one. Oh my gosh, it's been all day, and he's a slob too. Yes, beautiful. Finally. Oh, he's peeing everywhere. Whatever, I don't know, something's peeing everywhere. Look at that fish. I have no idea if I got that on video. Hopefully I'm videoing right now, but that's a great fish. Looks like there's 2 more on that tree. I also switched colors. Got the gold body this time. Oh man, here we go. Finally caught a fish. I am so excited because I want to eat that fish in a little while. Got him. Little bitty guy. It's unbelievable. I can't see the tree. My Livescope's going out. Oh, I got him. He's gonna be a keeper today. He ain't very big. I'm gonna let him go. He ain't very big. Got the good one. Yes, sir. think there's another one there too. Man, it's been a long, rough day fishing. I should have came here earlier. Decent crappie. He's gonna eat for sure. I'm about to get in the water. I'm about to just jump in for a quick swim. It's hot. It's gotta be 90 degrees here. Come get it, come get it. Yeah. Very nice. Been working on him for a minute. Got him. Oh my gosh, that's a giant there. That's a really good fish. That's a good fish right there. Oh shoot. I think I'm fixing to jump in and get a little wet here. That was needed. Oh, I needed that. It's hot out here. Got him. Oh, he ain't gonna be a keeper. He's probably a keeper, but I'm not gonna keep him. Thought he was bigger than that. He's definitely a keeper, but I'm gonna throw him back. Got him. That's the better one of the two, I believe. About the same size. Gosh dang, they're all little today, but I'm catching some fish. Went from catching 0 fish to catching some. Got some keepers and some little ones, so oh well. He ain't a bigger one, he's a smaller one. I could load the boat up on these though. You're just a little bit too small for me. Still a good fish though, pretty little fish. Get a little better one. Well, the same size. It's kind of crazy because he looks bigger down there. Oh gosh, probably hurt, bud. I'm throwing you back. Calm down. I'm throwing you back. I'm throwing you back. You're going back in. They're not very big today, but oh well. Like I said, at least I'm catching them. That's a lot of fun in itself. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, good crappie right there. There's a couple good ones on that tree. Look at that fish. That's a good fish for the day. Very nice. Yes, sir. He's gonna eat real good. Oh, it's down. There's a big one right there. Nice fish, man. There we go. I found a tree with a bunch of good fish on it. Take it easy, take it easy. Look at that. Really good fish. That's like 8 or 9 for the day. I'm probably about done catching them. Well, I had a pretty good little day. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crappie. Probably caught 20, but I threw a bunch back. I didn't keep a whole bunch of them, so I'm gonna go cook one now. I'm hungry. I think I might have just recorded this entire thing without any audio, so I'm just gonna go back over basically what I said. Shout out to my mom. She got me this awesome little tub for my birthday a few months back. It was more organized, get some trash in it now, but it's got paper towels, storage bag, a little table, disinfectant wipes, some seasoning, some blackening seasoning. I had some fish fry in here and oil, but I pulled it out last time to use it and I forgot to put it back in there, so gonna have to put that back in there. She also got me this. This little entire toolkit has all kinds of stuff. I'll show you. This has all sorts of stuff, metal plates, all kinds of utensils. This thing is gonna come in handy. Shout out to Mom, thank you, Mom. It's kind of crowded in there, I know it, but oh well, it is what it is. Definitely not the best cook ever, but it's gonna taste good. Good crust on that. Yikes, this is gonna be amazing. So if you've been following any of the videos in the past, any time pretty much, I've just been having lots and lots of technical difficulties. Today, I guess, is no different. I'm pretty sure I just recorded most of this without a sound. I realized halfway through I got sound, so anyways. Doing the best I can. It's kind of tough sometimes. But if this ain't cool, I don't know what is. Cooking on a side of the lake, hanging out. Oh, this is amazing. I don't know that it gets much better than this. I haven't eaten fresh crappie in a while, and I'm so excited about it. Also, for those of you who care at all, I have hats for sale, and I'm soon going to have some of these shirts for sale, fishing shirts. I'll absolutely love them. Super lightweight, super comfortable. They got the hood. It's kind of dirty, I'm sorry, I got it all dirty today. But anyways, freaking awesome fishing shirts, man. Got the sweet arrow with the arrowhead on it. And if you follow along at all, you know I'm big into arrowhead hunting. I love arrowhead hunting. This arrowhead is actually based off of one I found. It's one of my best ones I've ever found, so I think that's kind of cool. But anyways, if you're interested in it, leave a comment or something like that. And they should be hopefully for sale soon. Check in on the fish here. I think it's ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. Got me a plate of fish, some Coke Zero. Can't beat that right there. Look at this flaky, awesome crappie. Fresh crappie, blackened. Can't beat that there. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. If this ain't cool, I don't know what is. There's a lot of good things in life. This is one of them. Fresh crappie on the lake shore, that's amazing. It was so good. Day started out kind of rough, not gonna lie. Didn't catch a crappie. I started fishing at like 9 o'clock. I did not catch a crappie till probably 2 o'clock. Also, this is the first video with my new mic. I hope it's not just getting all me chewing and stuff. There's a chance that you're hearing everything. This mic is right by my throat. And I bet you're hearing me chew and swallow. And if that's the case, I'm really sorry. This is the first trial run with the mic. That was a fantastic meal. Fantastic day. Can't beat that. Fished all day long. It was beautiful. Wasn't too hot. Got kind of hot at some point, but it's overcast and cloudy now, so it worked out really well. Beautiful day. It took me a while, but I finally found some fish. Caught a lot of fish. Oh, it's fun. That's always so much fun. If you like this, like it, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, share it. But for real, if it would, just a simple like would go a long way. So I appreciate that a lot. I guess that's it for this one. We'll pack up and go home. See you in the next one.